Hi guys, today I am here with my brand new powered speaker Mackie Thumb 15A. As a DJ, you might be thinking of setting up a small mobile DJ setup like 2 speakers and one nice budget DJ controller. I would recommend you to buy powered speaker instead of passive speakers with an external amplifier. In next few minutes, I will share you my experience with Mackie Thumb 15A and the reason why I decided to buy these speakers. I am DJ Vaibhav and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any confusion, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. So here is Mackie Thumb 15A. There are 2 variants available, Mackie Thumb A and Mackie Thumb BST. Only the difference between these 2 variants is Thumb BST comes with a Bluetooth technology. You can control the speaker with phone using their application. However, Thumb A series doesn't have a Bluetooth function. That is only the difference. Rest everything is same, like speaker output, sound clarity, design. Today we have this Thumb A 15-inch speaker. Build quality is really good. Speaker cabinet are made of plastic material which benefits in lightweight with no compromise in sound quality. The weight of the speaker is around 34 pounds, that is 15 kg, so the handling becomes very easy. In fact, a single person can carry the pair of the speakers, and this is what is more important. As you are setting up a mobile DJ setup, you can't have more manpower in your team. If you compare Mackie Thumb with other powered speaker available in the market, you will find the average weight of a powered speaker is around 20 to 30 kg. It's difficult in terms of handling and traveling with such heavyweight equipment. You need to have a more man, as a single person cannot carry a 30 kg speaker by himself. I'm just sharing my personal experience with you. In category of powered speaker, Mackie is only the speaker which is so light in weight. Here there is a space so you can hold the speaker in this way. Also it has handles on the both sides. Now here comes the important topic, speaker output. Mackie Thumb 15A is a 1300 powered speaker with an inbuilt amplifier. 1000 watt at low end and 300 watts at highs. Speaker is really loud enough with crystal clear sound. You can use this speaker for your DJ event, small band setup and conferences as well. If you ask me, I have used this speaker for my indoor DJ event of 100 people, so you can imagine how loud it is. Here on the back side, we have control panel. They have provided 4 different modes. Music mode for DJ event, live if you are doing band setup, mono, and this is sub mode if you have subwoofer plugged in. With this switch, we can select with these different modes. Here is the graph showing what will be the EQ settings in these different modes. Like at music mode, bass and highs both are boosted. However, in live mode, you can see there is little cut on bass and it's flat at highs. Below we have inputs here. We get 2 input options, channel 1 and channel 2. Connect the XLR here at any of this channel and then to your console. There is also mix out option available, so you can loop the speakers to each other and get a single out. These are the gain for the channels, and here is the main output of the speaker. Here is the power switch and a port to connect the power cable. Let's not miss out something very important. This is the limiter here. The LED will indicate you when the volume goes up beyond the level. I suggest you to keep this limiter on. If by any chance your volume goes above clip, the limiter will limit the volume, which will help you to prevent blowing up the speaker. You can keep this speaker in different positions. You can stack them like this on the stand for a PA purpose, or it can be kept in this way if you wish to use it as a monitor. Note down something very important. You can't stack these speakers upon each other. The upper part of the cabinet is not straight. It has a kind of reflex angle like this. So this was all about Mackie Thumb series. If you have any queries or if you have any other speaker in mind better than this, do comment down below. It will be really helpful for the viewers. They can explore more. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and see you in next week with another video.